Hello, welcome back. In this section, we'd like to talk about how we can assemble measurement equipment. Now let's talk about the first item, which is about a nanometer wind speed sensor. When I purchased this one, it will deliver with a very secure boxes. Let me open this box. Let's see the component of this wind speed sensor. As you see, this is the main body of the anemometer. 3 wings are there and 3 cocks. And this is a connector. There are 4 lines as you see. One is earth, one is power input, and another side is a connector. Very secure waterproof connector. And remain there are bolts and nuts to fix this anemometer. Let's assemble connector and screw, then it will securely connect it. I will assemble 2 anemometer wind speed sensor. As you see, there are 4 pins. 2 are for power input and earth, and 1 for output voltage. I will use a connector from second-hand adapter. This is a mini breadboard. I will assemble power input connector. Now I can prepare that the basic small breadboard with power supply connector. I will use CD cases for plate. This is a Uno board with case. I will attach on CD cases and also will place the breadboard. Using sticker, I will securely attach the Uno board and also breadboard. Let's plug in the 9-volt voltage from external power supply and also that connect to the 19 volt from outside. And we will supply power from external power supply. Let us connect power input and earth pin. It will connect to external power bank. We will connect analog 0-1 port. This is a basic circuit to make work anemometer. The voltage output is connected to A0 analog 0 port. So when anemometers are run, then it will supply the power. I will use this CD tower to fix anemometer. So now I fix wind speed sensor to the back and place our circuit board inside of this CD case. Now I also attached power bank to another CD case and plug power and place them. Next, I will also attach the second anemometer wind speed sensor in the same way. And now I'm testing this working in my desktop. The program is already enrolled on Arduino board, so if I run this anemometer, then I can get the output voltage from this wind speed sensor, and Arduino board can capture this wind speed. Let's assemble the second component, which is about the temperature and humidity sensor. I can plug on breadboard and connect it to the Uno board. Again, power 5 volt and earth is supplied from the Arduino board, and the output signal we can get from D4 digital 4 pin to Arduino board. Now we are ready to get 2 wind speed and 1 temperature and humidity. So now I install my PC to store data from Arduino using processing. So I assemble an outdoor places. So I install 2 anemometer into different height. One is 3 meter high, one is 1 meter high. Remaining is packing this equipment from the wind or rain. So now it's working well. So using this equipment, I gather wind speed and temperature and humidity for a long time. Still now, I show you how I can make measurement equipment for this topic. It is not the answer. You can make your own measurement equipment, just refer the concept of equipment. Thank you. See you next time.
Hello everyone. If you don't subscribe this channel, please click the subscribe button. And please enjoy other contents.